Well, someday I will write you a flower, and our love will be set in stone. But for now I will cry, our emotions collide along this empty road. But I won't let the world see my tears. No, I won't let them see me fall. 'Cause after all that, I'm a man, I will stand so. And love can light your fires, but love can't extinguish hope. And the only difference between those two is the color of your soul. So set fire to your own tears, let the world see you glow, girl. Lord, send me an angel. These flowers won't grow on their own. Well, sometimes your flowers may bloom and die, and all you wanna do is cry. But rest assured, son, God has a plan for you. I am. And keep your lilies and your daisies close, but throw your roses all up high. And right now we gon' live like we will never die. So set fire to your roses, let the world see you glow, girl. And Lord, send me an angel. These flowers won't grow on, these flowers won't grow on there. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, no, 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 no. Ah, nah, these flowers won't grow on their own.